Welcome to the fascinating world of frogs. Today we'll explore the diverse types of these amazing amphibians. From the common frog in your backyard to the vibrantly colored poison dart frog of the rainforest, each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Join me as we journey into the remarkable lives of these captivating creatures. Our journey begins with a familiar face, the common frog. Found throughout much of Europe, this adaptable amphibian makes its home in a variety of habitats, from woodlands and meadows to gardens and urban parks. The common frog, typically colored in shades of green or brown, relies on its excellent camouflage to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This camouflage proves invaluable when it comes to ambushing unsuspecting prey. A patient predator, the common frog lies in wait, its bulging eyes scanning for movement. When an insect, slug or worm wanders too close, the frog's long, sticky tongue lashes out with lightning speed, capturing the unfortunate creature. As the days shorten and temperatures drop, the common frog prepares for the harsh winter months ahead. It seeks out a sheltered spot, such as a pile of leaves or a muddy bank, and enters a state of hibernation. When spring arrives, the common frog awakens, ready to breed. Males gather in ponds and ditches, their croaking calls echoing through the air as they compete for the attention of females. Once paired, the female lays hundreds of eggs in gelatinous clumps, which attach to aquatic vegetation. Over several weeks, the tadpoles undergo metamorphosis, developing legs, losing their tails, and replacing their gills with lungs. Venturing now into the vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, we encounter the poison dart frog. These small, brightly colored frogs are a sight to behold, their skin adorned with intricate patterns and hues that serve as a warning to potential predators. The poison dart frog's vibrant colors signal the presence of potent toxins within its skin. These toxins, known as batrachotoxins, are among the most powerful animal toxins known to science. The poison dart frog acquires its toxins through its diet. By consuming insects and other small invertebrates that contain certain alkaloids, the frog sequesters these toxins in its skin glands. Interestingly, captive-bred poison dart frogs raised on a diet that lacks these specific alkaloids do not develop the potent toxins. The poison dart frog's toxins serve as an incredibly effective defense mechanism. When threatened, the frog secretes the toxins from its skin, deterring even the most determined predator. Indigenous tribes have long recognized the potency of the poison dart frog's toxins, using them to coat the tips of their blowgun darts for hunting. Despite their deadly reputation, poison dart frogs are surprisingly delicate creatures. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable amphibians and their rainforest homes. Chapter 3. The Tree Frog, a Master of Acrobatics. High up in the rainforest canopy, a world of wonder awaits. Here, amongst the leaves and branches, we encounter the agile and acrobatic tree frog. These masters of climbing possess remarkable adaptations that allow them to navigate this vertical world with ease. Tree frogs are easily recognizable by their large, forward-facing eyes, which grant them exceptional depth perception, crucial for judging distances in their arboreal habitat. This binocular vision allows them to accurately gauge the distance to the next branch or leaf, ensuring a safe and successful leap. Their most remarkable adaptation, however, lies in their toes. Unlike most frogs, tree frogs possess adhesive discs on the tips of their toes, resembling tiny suction cups. These discs, covered in microscopic hairs, create a strong adhesive force when they come into contact with the surface, allowing the frog to cling to smooth leaves, slippery branches, and even vertical glass. These adhesive discs, combined with their long, slender limbs and lightweight bodies, make tree frogs incredibly agile climbers. They can effortlessly scale vertical surfaces, leap between branches with incredible precision, and even hang upside down, defying gravity with apparent ease. Life in the canopy provides tree frogs with a rich and diverse habitat. They are primarily insectivores, their diet consisting of moths, crickets, flies, and other small invertebrates that share their arboreal home. Their sticky tongues, which can extend to twice their body length, prove invaluable for capturing these airborne meals. As dusk settles over the rainforest, the air comes alive with the sound of tree frogs calling. Each species possesses its own unique call, a symphony of croaks, chirps, and trills that echoes through the canopy. Chapter 4. The bullfrog, a life cycle unveiled. In the heart of North American wetlands, a chorus of deep, resonant croaks fills the air. These calls belong to the bullfrog, one of the largest frog species in North America. Their life cycle, a remarkable transformation from tiny egg to formidable predator, unfolds in these watery domains. The bullfrog's journey begins with the arrival of spring. As the water warms, male bullfrogs establish territories and begin their booming calls, their vocal sacs inflating like balloons as they compete for the attention of females. Once a pair is formed, the female lays thousands of eggs in large, gelatinous masses, often attached to submerged vegetation. Within days, tiny black tadpoles emerge from the eggs, their tails propelling them through the water as they begin their aquatic life. They feed on algae and other microscopic organisms, their bodies growing rapidly as they prepare for the next stage of their development. Over the course of several weeks, the tadpoles undergo a remarkable metamorphosis. Their hind legs develop first, followed by their front legs. Their tails gradually shrink, absorbed by their bodies, and their gills are replaced by lungs, allowing them to breathe air. No longer confined to the water, the young bullfrogs, now miniature versions of their adult counterparts, emerge onto land. As they grow, their diet shifts to include larger prey. Insects, worms, spiders, and even small vertebrates like fish and other frogs become targets for their powerful jaws and sticky tongues. The bullfrog's impressive size and predatory prowess place it at the top of the food chain in many wetland ecosystems. Chapter 5. The Glass Frog, a window into nature's secrets. Our final journey takes us deep into the rainforests of Central and South America, where we encounter a creature of extraordinary beauty and camouflage, the glass frog. These small, delicate amphibians possess a remarkable adaptation that sets them apart from all others' translucent skin. Imagine a creature so translucent that its internal organs, beating heart and meandering digestive system are visible through its skin. This is the reality of the glass frog, a marvel of evolution that has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The glass frog's translucent skin, primarily on its underside, provides it with an unparalleled level of camouflage. When perched on a leaf, its body seems to disappear, blending seamlessly with the surrounding foliage. This remarkable adaptation, known as adaptive transparency, allows the glass frog to become nearly invisible to predators. The skin on its underside contains very few pigment cells, allowing light to pass through it with minimal scattering. Furthermore, the internal organs of the glass frog are arranged in such a way as to minimize their visibility. Their bones are also very thin and translucent, further enhancing their camouflage. Despite their delicate appearance, glass frogs are surprisingly hardy creatures. They are primarily nocturnal, emerging from their hiding places under leaves and rocks at night to hunt for insects and other small invertebrates. During the breeding season, male glass frogs engage in fierce competition for mates. They gather near streams and call out to females, their calls resembling the chirping of insects. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of frogs. From the common frog's remarkable transformation to the glass frog's incredible camouflage, these amphibians never cease to amaze. Stay curious and keep exploring nature. By learning about and appreciating the incredible diversity of life on Earth, we can all do our part to protect these fascinating creatures.